Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Nissan Juke and I will show you a blower motor fuses locations. This video will apply to Nissan Jukes made from 2011 all the way up to 2017. Okay, so in case you're having problems with the blower motor, what will happen when you increase the fan speed? The fan will not blow at all, and that points towards the blower motor problems. Now, if you are lucky, you'll just have to replace the blower motor fuse, which is very easy accessible and very cheap to replace. If you have to replace the blower motor, then there is a bit more labor involved and you will need a new part, obviously. Now, one more thing: if the fan speed works only on a specific speed setting, for example at the highest setting, and it stops blowing at any lower speed, then most likely you are having problems with the blower motor resistor. But if there is no fan working at all, then the problem is the blower motor. Okay, now there is a total of 2 fuses to check, and they will both be located in a small fuse box just here on the side of the dashboard. To remove the cover, you just have to pop it out. There's a couple of black tabs holding it in place. You can do it using your fingers or by using a flat screwdriver or anything similar. Okay. On the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram, and right here this white piece, this is the fuse puller you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. And the fuses you want to check are fuses F4 and F6. They're both 15 amp blue fuses located right here. So blue fuse in the bottom left corner and the blue fuse just above it. If both of the fuses are good, then like I said before, then you'll have to focus on the blower motor itself. So what you would have to do, you would have to first test the wiring to make sure the power is coming to the blower motor. If it is and the blower motor is not engaging, that means the blower motor failed. If the fan speed works only on a specific speed, then you would have to test the blower motor resistor. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.